It's Ronnie, licensed real estate agent in DC, Maryland, Virginia, and Pennsylvania, and I'm back with another down payment assistance video. Now, the Trump administration moves to cancel student loan income-based repayment services. There is a way in the state of Maryland that you can have your student loans completely forgiven if you are a first-time home buyer and you purchase a home within the state of Maryland. Now, the name of this program is the SmartBuy program. This is for eligible student loan borrowers. Now, first, the state of Maryland defines a first-time home buyer as someone that has not owned a home in the previous 3 years. Second, to take advantage of this program, you must have $20,000 in student loan debt or below, and you must have more than $1,000. So anyone out there, if you have $25,000 in student loan debt or even $21,000 in student loan debt, you do not qualify for this program, and you would have to pay them down in order to qualify. Now, the third qualifier for this program, you must have at least a 720 credit score. Now, for some people, this program will make sense as you can no longer apply for or use the income-based repayment option. So you're going to have people that have $1,000 a month student loan payments, $1,500, $2,000, depending on how much you owe. But this program can help you purchase a home and remedy that payment, because once you add your student loan payment plus the rent that you're paying, you could reduce that 25 to 50% to 75% in some cases for some people, and purchase a home at the same time and reduce your monthly spend. Now, here's how the program works. When you qualify and the day you purchase a home, the state of Maryland will pay off your student loan. However, they will attach the money as a new loan to your new home as a second loan. Now, it will be deferred, so there will be no payment and there is no interest attached. Now, the money becomes forgiven after 5 years. So the breakdown is, let's just say, for example, you have $20,000 in student loan debt. Every year for 5 years, $4,000 will be forgiven. On the 5th year, that lien comes off and you no longer owe the money. You can attach other down payment assistance programs to this. And in some cases, if you have a savvy real estate agent and myself or whatever agent that you're using can get the seller to pay your closing costs, you use the down payment assistance and get your student loans forgiven, and you could possibly walk into a home with no money down. Now, when it comes to the Maryland Mortgage Program, generally the interest rates are slightly higher than what everyone else is paying, but that's not always the case, because the Maryland Mortgage Program interest rates come from the bond market. Right now, if you're looking to get or to take advantage of the SmartBuy program, as of Friday, March 14th, the interest rate on the SmartBuy program is 6%. Now, if you decide to use the SmartBuy program and use the down payment assistance, you will be looking at 6.75%. Now, both of these interest rates, especially if you have a 720, are slightly higher than other, traditional programs. I've seen people, getting interest rates lately of 5.5, 5.8. So it's slightly higher. However, you have to figure it out. You have to look at the numbers and weigh, does it make sense for me to pay this student loan principal and interest over time? How much money will I be spending? And in addition to, those payments can hinder you from purchasing a home and also add to your monthly spend, especially if you weren't expecting, if you're coming out of forbearance and now you can't get an income driven repayment plan. Well, how does that affect your monthly spend? Will that put you in the red? Will that hurt you financially? And this may be a way to remedy that. Now, here's one other thing that I see that disqualify people for this program. You cannot be on anyone else's deed. So, for example, a grandmother, a father, an aunt. If you're on the deed of that home, you're technically not a first-time home buyer, and you need to be removed from that deed before you move forward with this program, because technically you're responsible. Because you're on the deed, you're responsible for the taxes on that property, and you are considered a homeowner under the state of Maryland. Now, lastly, not every lender is registered with this program. I have a group of lenders that I know, that I trust, that I've used before, that can assist with this program. But you can also head to the state of Maryland website and you can get this information. So down below, I will put the fact sheet that shows you all of the details in reference to this program. I will put the interest rate sheet. The interest rates, they change daily. So this link will be updated daily that will show the interest rates for this program. If you scroll down, the Maryland SmartBuy is at the very bottom of the program. And lastly, I will put the home page for this program. And anyone out there that needs guidance or assistance with anything when it comes to home buying or down payment assistance, feel free to reach out to me. My information is always down below and I'm always available to help. You can feel free to email me, call me, text me, or fill out the form that is also in the description. Again, my name is Ronnie, licensed real estate agent in DC, Maryland, Virginia, and Pennsylvania. Feel free to reach out to me anytime, and thanks for watching.